Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to other modes of this camera and one of it is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button, the shutter. We can also change the speed and the quality of our slow motion by going to the right corner where we get access to more video settings. Here we can pick the quality and also the speed, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me for example stay on this settings to show you how it works, and let me start recording. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter. To see the video, let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our video. By tapping on the center we can play it. As you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.